Have you been using an AI image generator recently, such as Midjourney or Leonardo AI, especially to create text? Maybe you're making a logo or you're just trying to make some funny designs with your name, only to be met with extremely poor results. Well, you're not alone. This is something that AI image generator have struggled with since their inception. I have a great solution for you today. A new AI image generator called Ideogram AI has surfaced recently, and it boasts some really impressive specifications. You see, not only it can do impressive realistic imagery and depictions of pop culture characters, but it can do near perfect text every time. And you can go ahead and incorporate it into a really amazing logos. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about Ideogram, the new AI image generator. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So first, let me tell you what Ideogram AI is. Ideogram AI is a powerful AI model that can generate images from text description. It uses a deep learning algorithm to understand the meaning of words and phrases, and then translate that information into a visual representation. How does it work? Ideogram AI's technology is based on the idea that images and text are two sides of the same coin. When we read a text description, our brain automatically creates a mental image of what we're reading. Ideogram AI uses this principle to reverse engineering the image creation process, starting with a text description and gathering an image that matches our mental representation. Well, what can you use Ideogram AI for? Ideogram AI has a wide range of potential applications, including creative writing, product design, and it can be educational. Well, in today's video, we're gonna delve more about product design. We are going to use Ideogram AI to generate our very own logos and posters. But first, let's go ahead and talk about layout. As soon as you're logged in using your Google account, you will be presented with this page right here. We can go ahead and see the recent post by clicking on the recent ones. Same with the trending, the following, and the top post. And we can go ahead and change the duration of the top post by clicking right here. So this is the top post for the recent 24 hours. This is the 4 days and the 1 month. Let's go ahead and look around 1 month, and as you can see, there's a lot of text being generated to this site, and Ideogram AI is doing a great job generating these specific designs. And just beside the home button, we can go ahead and see our profile picture right here. Just go ahead and click on it, and as soon as you're here, you're gonna go ahead and see your generated. So this is my public generation, and this is what I've been working on recently. You can also go ahead and click the square icon right here to list all your generation. If you go ahead and click on it, I can go ahead and see all of the images that I have generated by using Ideogram. As you can see right here, every generation will make you 4 images. So now that we're done here, let's go ahead and click on the logo to take us back to the homepage. And if you look all the way to the top, you can go ahead and see that there's a text box right here saying describe what you want to see. So for example, if I go ahead and type Spider-Man here like this one, Ideogram will probably generate me a similar photo like this one. And just below that, you can go ahead and see the styles right here. You can just go ahead and use these styles to better enhance your prompt. And if you go ahead and click on the photo like this one, it will go ahead and generate you a photo style. And for example, we have this one poster. It will go ahead and generate a poster style. Same with the 3D, typography, cinematic, painting, and whatever style there is. And going back to the community page right here, for example, I'm inspired by this photo right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and see the specific prompt that they used generating this image. So right here, they type Disney Pixar movie poster of a couple that wears hijab and snapback hat. For example, I like this photo so much, and I want to go ahead and save it to my profile. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the heart icon right here, and it will go ahead and save to my profile under like post. And as you can see, we can also go ahead and download the photo by clicking on the download logo right here. And there's also these 3 dots, and it will go ahead and bring more additional options. We have here report, download, copy prompt, and share image. For example, I want to go ahead and follow this profile right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on follow. And if I want to go ahead and share his profile, I'm gonna go ahead and click on the share icon right here. But let's go ahead and talk about the remix later. Now that everything is out of the way, we can now go ahead and generate our very own logo. I have this prompt right here that says logo design for a computer service company that says tech tricks tutorial. And if you want to go ahead and add some styles, you can just go ahead and click on the styles and you can go ahead and apply as much as you can. And it will go ahead and generate the photo with the current style. But if you want to go ahead and remove your style, just go ahead and click on the X button right here just beside those styles. Once you're happy with your prompt and your style, you can now go ahead and click on generate. But as you can see, there's also an aspect ratio option right here. If you go ahead and see the 10:16 right here, it will go ahead and generate you a portrait. And for the second option, we have here the 1:1. It will go ahead and generate you a square photo. And we also have here a 16:10, which will go ahead and generate you a movie aspect ratio. Once you're happy with your aspect ratio, your style, and your prompt, you can now go ahead and click on generate. As we can go ahead and see right here, Ideogram AI has generated me a fantastic set of logos. And I'm just gonna go ahead and be upfront to you. Some of these logos will not be perfect the first time you go ahead and generate them. For example, we have the first logo right here saying Tech Tricks Tutorial with the double I misspelling just below the tutorial. This is the second logo that we got, Tech Tricks Tutorial. It actually got the exact text that we wanted to show up. For the third one, we have the exact same thing with a different type of logo. Same with the fourth one. So do you guys remember the remix button that I haven't talked earlier? If you go ahead and click on this, it will go ahead and generate you the same image. As you can see, there's our prompt right here. You can now go ahead and add additional prompts to this photo right here. There's also a styles to add your style. If you want to go ahead and do that, you're welcome to do that. And for the image weight, what this means is for the reference, if you go ahead and add a lot of image weight, it will be referred more to the original photo. Meanwhile, if you lessen it, it will just go ahead and take a small reference from the original photo. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it at default, which is at medium, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate once more. As you can see, it's now generating a perfect text because the reference photo is already perfect. It's just changing the logo because we are not satisfied with the first one. So you can just go ahead and keep remixing your logos if the 4 photos were not suited for you. For our second example, I'm gonna go ahead and type this prompt right here. Logo design for a watermelon farm that says Watermelon World. And I'm also going to add some styles. I'm gonna go ahead and type product and vibrant. After that, let's go ahead and click on generate. As you can see, as we go ahead and generate the images, it will be blurred to get some preview, but once the generation is finished, we're gonna go ahead and get the full resolution. So we have a bunch of successful photos right here, but as you can see, there's a couple of misspellings. For this one, we have a misspelling of an extra E and an extra D. For the second one, we have a missing R and an additional W. For the third one, we got this one. This is what I like the best because it's simplistic and it's minimalistic. The AI got the text perfect, so this is good for me. And for the fourth one, we have this one with an extra I in the middle of water. So just for this tutorial, we're just gonna go ahead and click on the remixed here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click on generate instantly. And once it's finished generating, as you can see, we have a perfect images right here. This is what I like the best, Watermelon World with the 2 stars. I think this is really creative and this is really high resolution. There's just some extra text right here, but I think you can go ahead and easily remove it on your Paint or Photoshop or Canva, whatever type of editing software that you are using. But if you don't want to edit it out, you can just go ahead and continuously remix your photo. So for the last example, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the exact same prompt, but I'm gonna go ahead and click on the poster style right here and see what it came up with. So wow guys, with the poster design, it really brought some creativity into our logos. So this is our first image right here, and wow, this is just amazing. The creativity of this one and the accuracy of the text that we got right here. It even has some textures behind those texts. This is our second photo, this is our third photo, and this is our fourth one. All of these photos are really amazing and you can go ahead and start using them right away. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.